Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need both apps active and signed in. Once ready, open Shopback and search for Lazada. Tap the Lazada merchant card and then tap Shop Now. This is critical so Shopback can attach a tracking token. Make sure the Lazada app opens from Shopback. If it opens independently, return and tap again. Do this now because the tracking link must start the Lazada session. Once Lazada is launched via Shopback, you can proceed to pick items and keep the session intact. With Lazada opened from Shopback, add items to your cart and proceed to checkout. Apply any Lazada coupons and choose the payment option you prefer, credit, e-wallet, or COD, while keeping the session active. This preserves the cashback link. Confirm your order and copy the order number or screenshot confirmation because that proves the purchase. Once paid, the tracking will usually show a pending cashback in Shopback. Make sure you do not clear app data or open a new browser tab until the confirmation page fully loads. After checkout, return to Shopback and look for the pending cashback entry. This can take minutes to hours. Once the merchant confirms delivery, pending cashback will move to confirmed. If cashback does not appear within the stated window, open Shopback, start a claim, and attach your Lazada order number and screenshots. This speeds resolution. If something went wrong mid-flow, do not place duplicate orders. Cancel the incomplete order first. Then repeat the tracked shop back to Lazada. Steps to avoid losing eligibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.